Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffin. Today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica XS with us in the shop. This is a super automatic machine. What super automatic means, it just does everything for you. By press a button, you have a one-shot espresso, two-shot espresso, long coffee, two long coffees. This one came in because the customer had, I think, one of their employees or something along their lines, if I remember it correctly, put beans in the pre-ground container, which really broke the brew unit. As you can see, the legs completely snapped off, and you can tell it's just really rough shape. So after I unclogged it and took the original brew unit, which was jammed, out, put a new one in, tried using it, and it kept causing an issue. Now, the issue that was causing is, I'm going to kind of explain a little bit how a Magnifica would work. This is what we call the McKenna valve. Kind of it sits like this right there. You can kind of see it if you open the side door open and you look up into the machine. But this is what would dispense your hot water and what would tamp your coffee puck. Now the thing is, you have two switches on your machine. You have one that you could kind of see, it's in the little blue button right here, or my thumbs up right here. And you have one at the bottom of the machine. The one on the bottom of the machine stops your machine from pushing a brew unit all the way to the bottom. When you turn on the machine and you hear it click the bottom, you can hear it. It literally clicks. It's like a little switch. Now, when your machine pushes your brew unit up, it pushes into this. As you can see, you could kind of move it if you move it up and down. And what happens is that brew unit with a lot of force pushes all the way and clicks that button. Issue, if that button's broken, then it'll push in, and it'll just keep pushing because it doesn't know when to stop. That button tells it when to stop. And so that was broken. Now to swap it is kind of annoying, really frustrating to do. And oftentimes you would want to just clean this. As you can see, this is your older one. And so it's just, we replaced the entire thing. And so we're going to turn on the machine to make sure that boot up plus brewing plus turn off works. So you're going to hear there's a switch right there. Now it's moving to the middle position. Now it's going to move up. You're going to hear a click. Click right there. Now it's going to go back down. Should stop in the middle now. Stops in the middle. You hear another click. And now your machine is in position. And we're already warmed up because I was testing the machine before. So when the machine goes down, clicks a button, goes up, clicks the button that is on the McKenna valve, which we replaced. So now it works. Goes back in the middle, stops, and there's a brand new brew unit in there. And so we're gonna do let's do a single, because we can do a double. Now, since you're in brew position, your brew unit is kind of facing up. So I'll show you. It'll be facing like this. Coffee goes in, turns up, goes into the McKenna valve, gets tamped, and is now gonna start brewing. Put this a little closer. There you go. Now we kind of put it at minimum grounds. You could put it more if you want it more darker, and then of course you could make a finer on the grinder. Now we didn't do any cleaning to this machine because we kind of replaced all the parts that would need cleaning, but the actual machine, the walls of the inside of the machine, I recommend just going in there with a wet rag, cleaning it every single time. Not every single time you use it, but every single week, the other week. Just make sure you're cleaning it. Oftentimes stuff breaks when you leave it clogged like that. But yeah, now we're going to test the hot water function by just pushing this. Hot water comes out. Normal. A little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Now we're going to steam by clicking this button and wait for it to heat up. You're going to hear your pump start slowly pushing water because to make steam it doesn't need that much water. Just going to open that. A little bit of water is going to come out first. We're just making sure all the functions of the machine works as intended. Because again, that McKenna valve has a lot of hoses that go to a lot of places. And so replacing that cleans up a lot of your machine. But still, recommend descaling this machine, doing cleaning cycles regularly if you're using it in an office setting or anything like that. But yeah, got steam. Again, it's cold, so warming up. But we do got a good amount of steam there. yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.